Hi everyone and welcome back. We're going to start with an assignment, and the assignment is to record yourself talking about what you like to do, what grade you're in, how many siblings you have, sports, clubs, whatever it is that you do. You can even talk about favorite food, or even what you think about remote learning. But just give me an introduction about yourself. It should be between 30 seconds and a minute, and I will start. So my name is Mrs. Barlage, and I've been with Southgate now, I don't know, since 1995. And I started with working in the Hideaway with Marketing Teacher. The Hideaway is our retail marketing program where store managers come in and they learn about the store, customer service, ordering, inventory, and so on. I also teach now down at Davidson. I guess I started next. And I was at Davidson for 2 years, and then I transferred up to the high school. So I've actually been teaching since 2002, and I teach marketing, entrepreneurship, business communications and technology, business management and technology. I do Titan Time. I'm a DECA advisor, and I'm also the class advisor with Mrs. McKenna for the class of 2021. So this is your year, seniors. Hey, congratulations to my seniors. This is going to be exciting. So let's see, what else? Okay, so I'm married, and I have 2 boys. And my husband has a daughter and a son. We have 7 grandchildren, and I have 2 dogs now. They are mini Irish doodles, and they're a lot of fun, but they keep me super, super busy. I love to snowmobile. I love to travel. I have owned a couple of businesses in the past. I owned a company where we would turn photos and images and videos into recordings. Now the Mac computers all do that through iMovies. PCs do it. So technology has kind of eliminated my job basically because now people do it themselves. And then I also have a home-based travel agency. So that's a little bit about myself. I would like to hear about you. So go ahead and record a video about yourself, and then I would like you to upload that video so that we can all see it. And then it is graded, so please be sure that it's clear and that you're speaking loud enough that we can hear you. All right, welcome aboard. Let's get this done.